So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer money from your checking accounts on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on transfer funds. Once you're on the transfer fund page right here, I want you to go to the top to where it says from accounts. Make sure that your checking account is selected. Where it says to account, make sure that your investing account is selected. Then where it says amounts, type in the amount that you want to transfer. So for instance, if you wanted to do 100, I would just go over here and type in 100, press on done, and then type in your phone number. Then go to the bottom, press on the blue continue button to proceed with the transfer of funds. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to transfer money from your checking account on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.